Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We will be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and we would be framing a view for 22nd December, that is tomorrow. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. Now, if we analyze options open interest data, let's analyze calls. Here we will see that highest amount of calls has open interest at 13,700 strike, followed by 13,600 strike. So going forward, 13,600 or 13,700, they will act as strong resistance. And अगर हम put देखते हैं तो you will see that highest amount of open interest in puts is at 13,200 strike and 13,000 strike. So going forward, we'll see support around 13,000 level. And if we see both calls and puts, then you will see that around this 24 December weekly expiry contract, it has a wide range of 13,700 to 13,000 levels. And if we see what happened intraday today in calls, highest amount of open interest was written in 13,600 strike and 13,700 strike. And if we see the puts, you will see that today all 13,700, 13,800, 13,650, 13,600, 550, 13,500, ये जितने भी पुट्स हैं इनका ओपन इंटरेस्ट जो है डिक्रीज हुआ है. सो इट जस्ट टेल्स अस दैट जो पुट ऑप्शन बायर्स थे दे हैव बुक्ड देयर प्रॉफिट्स एंड पुट ऑप्शन राइटर्स दे हैव बुक्ड देयर लॉसेस टुडे. एंड डाउन साइड पे अगर देखें हम तो 13,100 और 13,000 लेवल के ऊपर सबसे ज़्यादा पुट राइटिंग आज हुई थी. और 12,900 स्ट्राइक के अंदर भी आज ओपन इंटरेस्ट अनवाइंड हुआ है. सो जो भी ट्रेडर हैं 12,900 स्ट्राइक जिन्होंने बाय करा था उन्होंने प्रॉफिट बुक किया होगा, और 12,900 जिन्होंने राइट किया है उन लोगों ने आज लॉस बुक किया होगा, क्योंकि आज आपको प्राइस एक्शन पे भी दिखाता हूँ मैं. बट उससे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऑप्शन मैक्स पेन डेटा को. सो दिस इज द मैक्स पेन लेवल. It has fallen from 13,700 to 13,600 level. So as you all know, option max pain is the level at which if market was to expire on 24th at 13,600 level, then option writers will suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. And market currently is around 13,300 level, broadly speaking. In exact form, it is at 13,293.15 future price, and max pain level is 13,600 level. So most option right, the max pain level is at 13,600 level. So there is a chance that tomorrow market can see a potential recovery. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see on monthly time frame market is under control of buyers. And if we see the weekly time frame, you will see that market is currently under control of sellers below 13,741 levels. And here you will see that this week, today is Monday, so today two new time frames opened, a new daily time frame as well as a new weekly time frame. So आप देखोगे अगर आज जो वीकली कैंडल जो बनी है आज की, उसमें आप देखोगे पिछले वीक का हाई भी टेक आउट कर दिया हुआ है और डाउन साइड का भी हमने लो टेक आउट कर दिया, तो ये आउटसाइड वीकली कैंडल बनी है. और अगर हम डेली टाइम फ्रेम देखेंगे तो वो भी एक आउटसाइड डेली कैंडल बनी है. सो इस टाइम पे देर इज़ नो बायस इन द मार्केट बिकॉज sellers are able to take it down and buyers were also able to take it up. So आज मार्केट में काफ़ी डाउनफॉल आया था, लेकिन इट रिकवर्ड from 13 low of 13,131, and it closed around 13,328 levels. You can see. So now we have a volatile market, so there is no bias in terms of direction for the short term. And based on today's candlestick, we get the following scenario for tomorrow, 22nd December. Above 13,328, we can potentially trade towards 13,502 levels, 13,361 levels, and potentially 13,722 levels. And below 13,131 levels, there is no trade for us. And the neutral price range is 13,328 to 13,131 level. So conservative traders, they can avoid making any trades below 13,328. So if market अगर trade होती है कल 13,328 के ऊपर, then we should look for buying opportunities. Else we should refrain from shorting in the market right now, because today it was a relatively huge fall, and there's a chance that tomorrow can be an inside day. But let's see what happens tomorrow. Our stock watch list for tomorrow comprises only of Pidilite Industries, sorry. So it's an inside candle. So here you can see on Friday, buyers were able to take it down and sellers today brought it down. So there's currently an equilibrium in Pidilite. So we'll look for buying opportunity only above 1,731 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 1,643.3 levels. If it remains in between high low range, we'll not be making any trade in Pidilite Industries. And chances are high that tomorrow it can be a inside day. But and also this is a short week because Friday is a holiday, so it is best that one should trade with light volumes or refrain from making any trades. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are in a broad range of 13,700 to 13,000 based on the overall open interest data, and tomorrow above 13,328 we can potentially trade towards 13,502 levels and 13,651 levels and potentially 13,722 levels, and 13,328 to 13,131 is a neutral zone in the markets, and we would not be looking for any shorting opportunities. Aggressive traders, they can look for shorting opportunities, but it is best that we should look for buying opportunities above 13,328, else refrain from trading completely. And Max Pain for 24th December weekly expiry has moved to 13,600 from 13,700 levels. And finally, our stock watch list comprises of Pidilite Industries. Finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel.